Oh, no, no.
Manual fine for you?
Yeah, doesn't matter. Oh, you know your passport number?
No, and
I know mine.
How long can you go on a tank up here?
You can use remember empty.
We thought we might come up here maybe and look up here and then come over here.
Can you swim in the cave?
Yeah.
No, that's a
Yeah,
pool.
glide.
Oh, nice.
Oh, but we...
Yeah, it's off on. Okay.
Oh, I
Yeah,
understand.
it's a horn. It's indicator.
Very important.
And left.
Where's the gears?
Gasoline. For gasoline here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And was it, this is automatic or manual?
Semi-automatic.
Okay.
Semi-automatic, no clutch. Gear 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just like normal, but you don't have a clutch. That's, yeah.
I mean, I've driven a
So let's go here.
Oh, this is fun. Okay.
So much Buddhas.
So today could be fun. We are in the town of caves, but right now we are in of course a Buddha temple. But we're gonna explore the whole town today. Gonna be a lot of caves. You don't do that to Jake.
It's my friend.
And today we also have 2 scooters with us. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, first time I see a monk. Monk people.
If I order a pizza now, I wonder if the pizza will be ready. Hey, dude, what? Don't look at me, bro. Wet one.
We could take a look at this lake viewpoint on the way out of town because we'll be heading this way.
Yeah.
So here we are at the viewpoint of the lake. Very pretty. And Jake just forgot his helmet at the last place.
I thought it was a bit more windy.
Classic. But the view is kind of nice though.
Yeah, it is.
With 2
It's like,
mountains.
It's like Catland do that.
We're back at the pagoda and see if Jake's helmet still are here. I don't know, but we will see. Jake. Jack, it's there. Sweet. And apparently it's not so much to do here, so we're gonna go outside the town.
Safety first, the Ztini's.
Yeah, that's why you leave the helmet here. It's
Fuck
good.
off. So cheap.
But this is the highest peak in the town, right? No. No?
Always with the shoes off.
Ah, this may be wrong. Yeah, here's the steps, yeah? I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Fuck the shoe. Oh, I can refill here. I can refill my... What the fuck? Come on, monks, do your job. Fill this up. The stairs there. And up. Oh yeah, the ladder is not stuck now.
That's what I realised.
Wow.
It's just... Oh, no, it is. On the right, left side of you.
Ooh, a little monk house, yeah? Must be the monk's balcony, this one. Go up a little bit higher. Fuck. Oh fuck, I thought this was the top.
Yep.
Oh fuck.
You get to the top, so keep marching.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, yeah. Okay, Chris.
Oh, man. You stopped more than I did.
Sweat mustache, yeah. Finally at the top of the fucking pagoda. Took like 15 minutes, but the view is so nice.
No, you get your own water.
No.
Thank you. It's for monk only.
That was another grown-ass man with a selfie stick.
The prison for Buddha.
We should free them. That would be pretty cool.
There's no real cave bed to this.
Should be something in there.
I'll give you 2. 2 guesses.
Buddhas.
No. What's the second
Rocks.
one? Shitload of trash.
Are you hungry, dude? Yeah, sure, man. Let's order a pizza. Dude, for fuck's sake. I swear, it wasn't.
They have ice cream. Oh my god! And look at the price. Only like 15 chats. Yeah, that's good. Good price. Where's the ice cream one?
Ice cream mum.
How much for this one?
1,200.
Sold. Ice cream.
How much is this one?
700.
You don't care the rocket?
Oh, is there a rocket?
Yeah. Do you have the spaceman? Oh no, spaceman. But you can have the sword though. We can have a fight. Licking a car, that's good. Oh, look at this small one.
Oh shit, the husband's coming over.
But yeah, sure. It's good. Oh, puppy's on! Doggy! Doggy!
Smell your mama's ass. Yeah, that's a good dog.
Puppy! Licky, licky.
Okay, apparently we're having a photo. This guy just kind of pushed me out. This guy just pushed me out.
It's good. Oh fuck, where's my tickets? Oh, it's so cute. Oh shit. Which temple was it with aggressive monkeys? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. No. No. Sit. He's planning for something, eh? Hide your belongings. They're coming more.
Yeah?
One there as well. Inside.
Alright.
Time to go. Not this time. Minglaba.
Yeah, Minglaba.
View's getting better.
Let's talk.
Almost there. I've been walking for 1 hour. I wrapped off maybe 5 liters of sweat on me. But give it half an hour and we're up there. Of course. Nice view with the trash down. Finally it took us up to the highest peak in this area. It took us like 1.5 hours. And I'm super tired, but it's so worth it. Where's my water? Oh, nice. Oh shit! It's like you're dripping so much.
I told you, dude.
Like you have been swimming. Oh, you're going for it? Oh shit.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
He's going for it.
don't take my bag. Don't take it. No. Oh. Oh! Oh fuck!
I told you, get that bag.
Oh no no!
Get your dipshit.
Oh!
Get your dipshit. Get your bag.
My bag! What the fuck?
Oh, that could have been amazing.
Je sais pas.
Why do you think I grabbed my bag right away?
Yeah, but
It's like-
I think we was trying to jump over and be on threesome.
All you
Yeah,
hear about is how the monkeys will steal your bag and
yeah,
shit.
but this is heavy, you know. This is like 5
The
kilos.
size of the monkey.
I think he could have took it.
Easy.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh no no no! Oh shit! Look, it's the eye. What the fuck?
Oh, hello. Just swing something.
Don't come at me! What the fuck? I need to be more careful about my stuff. I had like my passport, my laptop, hard drive, everything in the bag. If the monkey would take the bag, my life would be so hard right now. Let's go back to the scooters and hit off to the next location. Away from the monkeys. Okay, yeah. It's really hot. Too hot. Oh, thank you. So ridiculous. There are like monkeys everywhere right now. Where the fuck are they coming from? I'm not seeing you. Oh, no. Fuck, fucking scared for monkeys now. Yeah, self-service is well.
I'm leaning towards that way. It was pretty easy.
Oh guys, look at this. It's another cave inside this cave. If we just can go up there and go inside, oh, it could be so cool. Chris, can you check it out? America! Fuck yeah! Mm-hmm. Does it look good?
Come on, champ! I need my US Army flashlight.
Jake, send him the flashlight. Jake, not again. Come on. Oopsie daisy, sorry mate. Okay, let's go back to the boat, guys.
Ashkan. Yeah, taking a boat? 3, yeah. So we need a ticket or? Yeah, 3. I don't know where he's gonna stand, but.
You gotta help paddle, champ.
That's fancy.
Hello, welcome.
Are you married?
What's your country?
No money, only donation.
Another party cave. Here's the entrance fee. Leaking water. That's key.
This is now occupied by Thailand.
Oh, here's a bed. Maybe a stripper Buddha in there? A stripper Buddha or a whore Buddha? Or...
Why is it a Buddha?
Wait, what is that? Should you look in that or something?
Oh yeah, it's something's there. Is it like Buddha's blood or something? In the middle of the second one, there's something in the middle. Buddha's, I don't know. Jesus.
Like, they just throw money at the Buddha like he's a stripper.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Shoes again, yeah? And a very afraid Burmese woman. Jake, what the fuck?
Don't even try and put that on me.